Hey y'all, this is Jacey here, and I'm a student ambassador at Salon Institute for Goldwell. And I'm here to talk to you guys about our Bond Pro strengthening system and our rich repair serum. Our Bond Pro shampoo and conditioner is awesome. It can be used on fragile hair, weak hair prone to breakage, and it also has color fading formula to help color fading, so that your hair does not fade. So as you can see here, we got some breakage on the ends, just a little bit, and our 6 Effects Rich Repair Serum is one that can definitely help that. It also can give your hair a silky, nice, smooth finish, and it gives your hair an instant shine. We're going to take maybe 2 to 3 pumps in your hand. You're going to rub that in, and then you're going to give it a good run through the hair, and this is going to promote shine, and it's going to help with breakage as well. So just run that through the mids and ends because it also gives you healthy looking mids and ends. So that's really where you want to focus on. So after using our Bond Pro shampoo, conditioner, and our Rich Repair Serum, you're ready to style your hair as usual and you can enjoy healthier looking hair.